Let's take a look at CLD Partners' Service Estimate Solution. We start from an open opportunity. From here, we create a service estimate. We mark this service estimate as current, and then enter the project's expected start and end dates. From here, we access the Service Estimate UI. We have a summary level on top and 4 service estimate line items. The labor line item creates a resource request on the project. We simply select the type, a resource role, skill, and description if required. The sales price and cost rate come over from the rate card on the resource role. We then enter the quantity of hours. Here we see the amount, cost, and planned margin are auto-updated. The fixed fee and fixed cost service estimate line items create milestones on the project. The expense line item creates an expense budget. Let's save this and take a look at another important function, the import. Here, we can simply drag and drop a pre-built workbook. This workbook contains service estimate line items. Here, we've added an additional 5 labor line items, a fixed fee line item, a fixed cost, and an expenses line item. Let's take a closer look at the hours we have for our resource requests. We can manage the schedules here. Simply change the hours for each week. Save it and close. Great. Now it's time to create that project. We select Project Sync. All right, our project has been created. Let's take a look. Here we see we have resource requests that came over from our service estimate line items for labor. Our 3 milestones. We also have a budget that's been created. Additionally, there are 10 budget line items. 1 budget line item is created for each of the service estimate line items. Let's take a look at a project that's in progress. And let's drill into one of these budget line items. We'll take a look at the labor line item for our business analyst. Here, we see we have the as sold and the actuals. We can compare these values in real time. Let's go back to our original project. Let's go back to the Service Estimate Manager UI. We've decided we want to update by removing one of the labor line items and one of the fixed fee line items. We select them, we delete the selected lines. Let's save one more time, and let's update our project. Going back to the project, we see that our resource requests have been updated, as well as the milestones. Let's move this project into the plan stage. And now we're ready to move forward.